Welcome to Linux help tutorial. I'm going to explain about how to install Xoops in CentOS. Xoops is a popular and easy to use CMS which is written in PHP. It uses a modular architecture and it is ideal tool for developing small to large dynamic community websites, weblogs, etc. For installing the Xoops CMS, you need to have a LAMP server installed in your system. After installing the LAMP server, you can continue installation. Now we can see the installation of Xoops in CentOS. First, you need to download the installation package using the wget command, wget, and here's the download link. And give enter. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Now we can extract the package, unzip, Xoops. Now give enter. Now the package is extracted. Now we need to move the extracted package to the var www.html xoops directory. Move xoops slash htdocs space slash var www.html slash xoops slash and give enter. Now the contents are moved. Next we can create the MySQL database for the xoops CMS. Login into the MySQL server, MySQL -u root -p create database space xoops db semicolon. Now the database is created. Now we need to grant privileges for the database and need to create the database user and set password for the database user and use the command. Now flush the privileges and exit. Next we can create a new virtual host directory in the Apache. For that you need to edit the Apache configuration file. Vim slash etc httpd slash conf slash httpd.conf. Now search for the name virtual host and you can find the virtual host line here. Now enable this name virtual host and go to the last to add the virtual host configuration. Here's the virtual host configuration content. Now copy this, paste at the end of the file. In the server name, you need to mention your host name of your system. Now save the file and exit. Now restart the Apache web server, service, httpd, restart. Now we need to move the Xoops library and Xoops data out of the document root directory. Now create the directory, make directory slash var www Xoops, give enter. Now we need to move the Xoops library and Xoops data out of the document root directory. Move slash var www html Xoops slash Xoops underscore library space slash var www Xoops slash x double zero ps underscore lib. Next move the Xoops data. Move slash var www html slash xoops slash xoops underscore data space slash var www xoops x double ps underscore data. Now we need to change the ownership for the xoops directory. Change on -r apache apache space slash var www.html/soups change on -r apache :apache space/var www.zoops and the ownership is changed. Now restart the Apache web server service httpd restart. Now open the web browser and enter your IP address and give enter. Now we can see the Xoops installation page has appeared. Now select your language and give next. And here you can see the requirements and the things that you need to do before installing the Xoops. Now give next. This is the configuration check. Now give next. And here you can see the Xoops data file directory is not specified. You need to remove the HTML directory here from both the library and data files. And in the Xoops you need to enter 00. Now the path is found and now give next. Now you need to enter the database information. The username is Xoops user, the password. Now give next. Now we need to enter the DB details. Xoops, that is to Xoops DB. Now give next and now save the configuration. Next you can see the tables are created and now we need to enter the admin account details, the admin email, now the admin password. You can also generate the password here using the password generator. Now click next. Now you can see the initial data has been inserted into the database. Now give next and yes the site configuration and give a name for the site, the slogan and the metadata. Now give next. Here you can select your theme for your site and give next. And here's the available modules for installation. I'm going to install the user profile and give next. Now you can see the user profile module has been installed. Now give next. And the Zoop site is ready. Now give next. Here you can see the default site has appeared. Now click the administrative menu and here you can see the administrative interface has appeared. Here you can manage your site using the available options. The Zoop CMS is successfully installed in CentOS. Thank you for watching.